Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't done a video like this in a while, so I'm pretty excited to get into it because I'm also trying these products out for the first time. But as you can see, I have my head wrap on, so this is not a hair video, but this is actually going to be a skincare video. So the skincare video will consist of products from Mielle Organics. They actually have a skincare line, so I'm going to share the products that I am going to use with you today. So keep watching. So I have a total of 4 products here. I'm looking down because they're in my lap. The first one is the Pomegranate and Honey 2-in-1 Face Scrub and Cleanser. This is what it looks like. It comes in this cute little tube. I love the packaging of this because, of course, it's consistent with the P&H line for the hair. So if you haven't tried those products for your hair, definitely try it out. It has a great smell and it really makes my hair feel super moisturized too. But the 2-in-1 scrub. So this cleanser is supposed to really exfoliate the skin and cleanse your pores. So I'm excited to use this. The second one is the Hydrating Face Mask. So it comes in this box. I'll open it eventually when I'm getting around to using that. But this is the face mask. So you pretty much leave it on so it makes your skin feel super smooth, make it glow, it makes the pores cleanse as well. So I'm also excited to use this, and you pretty much leave it on for like 5 to 7 minutes and then wash it off. The next product is the Revitalizing Face Serum, and this is also meant to help hydrate your skin as well. You put maybe like 2 to 3 drops in your moisturizer and then you're good to go. And then the last product now is the Illuminating Face Lotion, and it has SPF 15 in it. So this is going to be my face cream, and I'm going to use the serum and the lotion together. So yeah, let's get going. First thing I am going to use, of course, is the cleanser. So I'm going to run, my sink is not near where I'm filming, so it's going to be a little hard for you guys to see me like rinse my face off, so just keep that in mind. But I'm going to go wash my face and then I'll come back so I can show you how I apply my cleanser. Okay, so I went ahead and I rinsed my face with some lukewarm to cold water, and I'm going to be using my Clarisonic to apply the cleanser. So the first thing, and this is wet as well. So first thing I'm going to do is grab the cleanser, and I'm going to just apply the cleanser directly to my Clarisonic brush. So I applied it. You can kind of tell a little bit. But anyways, I'm going to directly apply it to my face now. So I'm going to put some, kind of distribute it around. Okay, boom. So now my Clarisonic, if you have a Clarisonic, you'll know how it works. If you don't, definitely invest in one. But pretty much it's like a timer on different sections of your face. So the first will be a certain amount of time. The next will be like in this area, your T-zone area. And then the sides of your face have different times. So that's what I'm going to do. Press my button. Let's go. I look crazy, but I went ahead, I did my each section with my Clarisonic using the cleanser. So now the next step is to go and rinse it off and move on to the face mask. So I just finished rinsing off the cleanser. It was super nice actually, and it has the little beads in it too, so that really is helping to like exfoliate your skin and removing any dirt buildup that you have on your face. So next step now is to apply the face mask. So I'm removing it from the box as we speak. Ooh, it looks like this. I don't know why I thought it was going to be pink, but this is cool. I don't know if this is just the bottle or if it's the inside, so we're going to find out. Ooh, it's black. Oh my gosh, this is going to be cool. So this is what the face mask looks like. So let's see. Alright, it says apply a nickel size amount to your fingertip. Okay, I'm going to attempt to apply a nickel size, because whenever I have face masks, it's like I get excited and I use more than I should. So nickel size. Boom. So I'm gonna put this on my lap just so I don't make a mess and it doesn't fall everywhere. And of course I'm not gonna follow instructions at first, because I'm gonna take it from here and just kind of glob it on my face. Don't tell. I'm gonna put some here. That's like a nickel size amount. Yeah. So I'm just gonna rub that in. I'm gonna use 2 of my fingers. If you need 3, so what? Keep it going. And I'm just gonna apply it. You know what? It's like, I love face masks. I think they're like so much fun. It reminds me of like face painting, to be honest. Alright, so I just went ahead and I rinsed it out, and my face feels great so far. Like, it feels like, I don't even know, like I was just laying in water and all the hydration just took over. Like, that's how great my skin feels. So I'm gonna just wipe my face off, and then we could get to the last 2 products. Alright, so for the final steps, I'm going to be applying 2 of the last products that I have. The first being the face serum and the second being the face lotion. So this is what the serum looks like. It comes in this little bottle here. And you will just pump some of the product up. And when I untwist it, then you just drip it into your hand. And it's 2 to 3 drops. So this is the Revitalizing Face Serum. And then this is the Illuminating Face Lotion. So the first thing I'm going to do is hold on, trying to open the lotion. So I have my serum here. So as I told you, I press the button so I can suction up some of the product. I'm going to take it out. And then I am going to pour 2 to 3 drops, actually not in my hand, but I'm going to put some on my face instead, just so you guys can see. Okay, so I have all 3. Let me close this quick before it drips on me. And I'm just going to use my hand and rub it in. So for my lotion, I'm going to go ahead and just pour a dot on my finger to add to each section. I usually lotion my face this way instead of just pouring the lotion in my hand and rubbing it all over, because I want to make sure that I really evenly distribute the product onto my face. Alright guys, well thanks so much for watching. Make sure you guys try these products out. I absolutely love them for the first time that I am using them. I put all the info in the description area so you can at least see where to get them and what products they are. And if you love this, definitely comment and let me know that you want to see more skincare routines. But other than that, thanks for watching. Bye!